So before proceeding to the video, I would like to share some amazing offers with you. Here you can see Amazon Music 4 months for just $1, and you can cancel it anytime. You can find in the description of all these offers links, and Kindle Unlimited. You can join this unlimited. Just it's about you can cancel it anytime. And another, it's Audible. You can gift to your loved ones and all these. And next is Audible Escape. So it's unlimited listening if you love books or anything. It's about romantic stories, and it's all free for first month. And the last one is Baby Registry. You need to create here registry, and you can find free welcome box valued up to $35, universal registry, completion discount 10%, even 50 up to 50%, its biggest selection, free 365 days return, and group gifting. All of these, you can find the link in the description of all these offers.
Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So in this video, I will let you know how you can watch 4,000 plus channels on your mobile phone. You can watch live every channel of every country. You can watch movies, you can watch Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, Punjabi movies, animated movies, every kind of movies. What you need to do, let me, this is the app Live Net TV. If you open this app, so it will looks like this. I will let you know this app is not available on Play Store, so you can't download it Play Store. Here you can see entertainment channels and 24/7 channels, news, sports, movies, and here Indonesian channels, Portugal, German, Canada, Thailand, Italy, Australian, South Indian, Punjabi, Afghan, French, Filipino, documentary, music, unlimited channels, cooking, religious. You can see now you can here if you go to the movies. Let's click on movies, and here you can see all movies, Indian movies, English movies, Pakistani movies, Hindi dub movies, Punjabi movies, and animated movies as well. How to download this app, let me show you. Go to the Google. What you need to do, you need to type Live Net TV APK and search. So this will appear. First you need to click on first link. You can save this link as well and just download APK, and when this will app will download, you need to click and install and enjoy this app. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you.